na ndechine chinga kichingie tuo meranire asomo ego yo banana pedla lero nonde gane abarai bagusiye vijana abasaye korugusi nonde gana ogari korubonjali nonde gana Steve nonde gana Nyandusi bono rende vijana barai karibu sana asomo ego yo banana pedla ko nyomba mbia bale bono lero county chicheto county ya Busia tuwezi kwa Kisii county toko ruga I think mna toleka lero ndo watu monzo Nyamira county county ya Kisii county ngoja kanayo gali so far nga kiroche abantu batebira mangana mange nga county ye bande baboli nga ntuno morero tu alimetie bintu mbigendrete mna bitakeire abasacha banda ali ababo kibuta kibwana bakwa gache bintu Kisii county ndoro chikende Kurutwa chagete, devolution ya chagete. So far, tuanyorra almost 43 billion shillings for 2012. Keroko lige Kisii County, nkorole 43 billion shillings.
Mbiamono banana petla, so go langalia se debate. Again, tonda kwane na ndaba kusiba mintu mbategerete. Again, tonda kwane ngelinga intuna Kisii County. Ntora benefit na kende gionsi korwe Kisii County chaka. Kisii County chinde chikenda okarama gendro, lakini into our funds have been misused. Talk about bona suneke sinkoru suneka monchani we were promised a fruit factory, a banana factory. Paka sai factory into anyakorda. What we are getting is dump sites and the sewages every now and then. You see, evina mangana ntu opposite the dump site in 2013 2014 to gata yongwa nganta dump site within a banana factory. Amangana have been raised. Our own MCS have raised these issues, but in total receive a banana factory to attack it. Look at other regions. So far, there is nothing going on. Investors are just supposed to come, but no substance. But as Kisii County, we have not utilized the resources we have. Look at a case study. In Kisii County, they went to go to a governor, Namagana governors, executive, MCS, went to go to a legislative, Namagana oversight, and the senator went to go to oversight. But the senator, Oyoko Professor Moskesa Mongeli, Oito Mosquito Sigetemono, is not doing any oversight. Igare Nairobi ga magana sport pesa gokora na magana casino na magana gambling. That is not oversight. Abu mwene tente kabuta drawing buno gari 2022 moro kia magana oversight buna gokora. Thank you very much magana.
Steve.
Yes.
Keroko lige Kisii County at large 43 billion shillings. Do you see 43 billion shillings?
Ya mono muralia se dibaga. Igende tanda tebengelinga keroko lige ya Kisii County for 3 billion chirocho purely kartobe on a scale of 1 to 10 which is about 3%. That means 7% toroja se go chikots na ndi blame na nabuna almost ko gali ata birengelinga omondo bwate mechande menana pi no masena because inerega asiaye ekera aikire senate aru andre chipesa chise county government acha gore oversight or tanya go oversight. I think igaye bete role ya yo go oversight igareire koranga na babwena ta turwe akore mere uside myaka bono ya munyali to kumanya
rende bono imwensi moko blame lakini tiganda igukuru ase umugaka Nyandusi chief Nyandusi
yes
ayeke rokoli Kisii County performance nkorore 43 billion shillings yaro
tigankwanega oyo minta menya nchenkoro ku Timothy Nyandusi nkambo nchali nande abanchali nto supported ongwae ne korea. And the reason to have voted Ongwae iga konye gusiye ito sakonye Kisii County. But I must record unaboni anta I'm so disappointed no mo governor mito James Omosika Ongwae because una huyo mitakwa naga igogali. Ongwae ebintu chibese jota 43 billion has not been reflected on the ground completely. And as youth now we are going to take up the role na ndokwa netawateuna gokora mulebobe. E county ito the factory ya gwende korosi ya matoke teraros chibesa chikaena. Where did that money go? Kanongwae tell us nka chibesa che factory cha chiete echiro ito yasuneka ya very go tukumukura left right and center abanchali nto chaire na ngo ikerenga kieto ndo jokwana una monto tata cha suneka because ebintu bisako gendera bintu ryo chikwancha because you have a right na itubuna abanchali barendu kiro monto mogetutu na kiro monto but Esther Ongwae wa colleagues the fact is that now we are not going to accept this one at all. And Ongwae, let me tell you, we supported you, we love you so much, you have time to redeem yourself. But when we bichietega, we're not going to joke anymore, and we are going to send
Bono rende toko irana nsemo ya employment.
Yes.
Fununu neronga ongwae gali gitabantu kursobo akalika one naraga cheka meke joke ende ngagali getenga useni se bono lese peiro ligusengini nchana mangana ko ikwa tali arera momo nuwe ona na boko ntego ogali amangana nga kyoroche is that manga there is a lot of ngakibako rukega songo man nepotism ese kisi kauni nga bantu bakitutu chache gali noti alia na bwaire ta banga karusko bali akabekeme amangana anaro because we want to avoid these things going forward kerato kwanda uchi 2022 and we have to discuss these issues ebinte vinyo biroro
again ndonda kwane bwana banana peddler
yes
eba abasongo bagote banga if you are the oppressed and you join the oppressors in oppressing the oppressed you are as good as the oppressor. I'm among the oppressed. I can never ever join the oppressors. Go ikatuko na mangana ya bunare ebi na employment be verified in Kisumu in courts about Kisii County nebi ingetalkembo it's more than one amangana employment amangana at regional balance there in terms of employment. I'm talking about constituency balancing all the constituency to what the workers almost is it almost 2,000 which you go but it is a divide so that the constituency and you are we have no regional balance constituency
balancing
I've been counting them by getting 150 these are the issues to why is it that the Kitutu Chache North and the South are being given priority than the constituency and that's why we were saying eto take to mogavana ngore bonto to gochikobeka to kobeko mogavana mongao ogochikobage nibo ya Kisii County equitably.
But you are blaming the senator instead of the governor.
The senator is equally conniving with the governor in conning the people, good people of Kisii County.
Oyo kakor ayo kuru Kitutu Chache North.
Nomo Kitutu.
Asen kuru Kitutu Chache North nchomanyene alia itiboge sangero monyerero ward. Amangana ya bako tange binton saito bigocha. Ebinto na maene bono ko seno into to kale kungachi bono na tara terne ro korukuru waro
mbe mano panana pena
na nda yo koruso babu yeme
ichengo ruso gavana James Ongwae na nda bono timete kwambe ka saba njali yankongi to pale njoma nyane enchande kituno yate banga ne oppressor na nje no oppressor na nje ne oppressed already ne oppressor ke ngo oppressor
na ego chande
ke nje go chande ke ekero to kule mangana employment ne perception ya bantu obwate ngaba ke tutu na ubakoragira mona Kini akini karoto kwa na realistically aba ke tutu ni ndutu tabwa tigas in Kisii County
monya ko to ngenda
I can tell you for free to is ko audit today aba anta bank people employed in that county government aba basi Private employed no mogaka
aba basi abanyane aba ga yandusi what is your take on that?
My take is this na let the other one over maene omugavana Ongwae obere ka ko ba accused kolika abantu kuruboge tutu abange. And on this point, I want to declare anta yo mugusiano se askwabeta. O governor mboli kwera na bogetutu. Uikanto bwa nyomba chinde aso wana bokogenda twarwe bogetutu togena nyali bali twende bobasi or elsewhere.
Ebi abana ba ne bitina gwachaki.
Ne bitina ababiroke bitina batu mugusia askwabeta let it be clear na ki governor mboli kwera na bogetutu we are going to take it elsewhere because gusina nene.
Out of 10 ile ngora Ongwae. Out of 10 performance Ongwae.
Ndio ilikuwa Ongwae ama
out of 10.
No, Tinochko Mwama is still have time to redeem himself.
No.
But for the
so
time being,
far, 6 years.
He's 6 years.
How do you rate him? The 6 years yes. Got the first time availor.
Banana
out of 10.
Inganchire timoreta serero.
I know kwanza na ko morate.
Ichira bongo morate. Nende ndara morate. Let me clarify this point. Ekara to kwa na mangana nepotism. Na ali in Kisii County. Ekikorogiza point blank. Tote tokebise. Naro. But ekaro kurigireri nepotism mono asere
abantu bahe baime
tege tenye kwanere bon
tenye kwanere nepotism
abantu abalikire bari nepotic in Kisii County government most of them bari bagatu. I can give an example. A chief officer administration
no
monjali
iko gali ko igule
director administration mukae na ngani mukae
yani na era na mukae
arura abu example kama na hapa na penda
yani
example ya kapenda de
etwali omorero van no morero twali metsada mumonto no mukae
example kama na hapa na penda example ya kapenda na kwa no monto korokwa kanya ko kora uchunguzi no monjali ena ale kore trend example ya kabri kurwa sakuna South Mogiranga.
South Mogiranga.
Speaker ya Kisii County Assembly.
South Mogiranga.
Nombo South Mogiranga. Kwa the miaka kwa 84
87 ni magi
97 ya abu.
Vijana mora, vijana.
Coach Motu abu. No sira, toro this grant.
97.
97 98.
Omo muroe works in the assembly.
Momuroe.
Ne legal advice.
Bamuraga ki.
Bueno, e bande ni moja.
Ne mecha. Ono kale ke maana mo. Omo no yo na egwate.
Banana na employment inde ko kwana iga. Ase Kisii County. Inje kuno gali Douglas Mtetezi ko se ODM. To sande ni not a party but a name. Inje kuno gali Douglas Mtetezi ODM. Ne rure kokora audit. Na anda ngo kugwadana na Nyanduzi, ngogwadana na Steve Junior and other youth leaders na Kevin Mamboleo. Isibakala na babaigwa magana. Tuerude kokore audit. Ese all chief officers, ese all CCs, ese all administrators in Kisii County. Tomanya ngaki ngaski ba kokora. Aseki why sometimes I want to blame on why, but even sometimes on why we can even remove that blame because the ministers, the chief officers, ebaro bisi bakanye te report chire tu bisi jabo. Let report ingi kwa kodra ibune contractor, what have you done? Njebune contractor na kodra 90%. Kumbe ega ashi kodra 10%. Aseki chief officers, aseki administrators, aseki ministers chita go jiregeti. Why can't they go to the field and they see what is happening? Ekero kora ngai pare kare kore mose marani. What have you contractor go say field office anga kinde tere report. Inkio ko koro bisi ase keroko okonya ko yuki chai chito Kisii County na mokonya ko hike chikwende chi budget mokonya ko hike moko nchichari kama moko ende field malolenga ki ekera kitakeritu ato metali kiale mire pareli. Why do you keep on receiving reports and you cannot go to the field? One minister of national government, we are going to do audit. We are going to amend, and that's why even we are supporting even the amendments of the constitution, so that those grab some positions. They are just idling. They are doing nothing.
Omuntu akoliku mukayo liku abana bae baliku abande bakwewazi. It's so sad that abana abagusie basomete egekone but mbali kwewazi unless you know something. There's some accusation in our county unabante bakwewazi. There is even some sexual harassment which we are yet to confirm.
Sexual harassment.
Aina mangana yogo
gusiye ite
abana ba minto ba
ebine bikone bwana twanya kwa
abaiseke bali bakwewazi egazi through sexual influencement. Yani ekoba sexual transmitted
bottom power.
The
bottom power.
We are yet to confirm that. Aina mangane obosoko mu usino monto.
Yani kabeka straight yega. Ngo mwana manyaroko taite gas go ikasingerirwa mako nkonyore gas.
Na bombine jobs in Kisii County have been mentioned. Ekinege ndikyo kumege lakini amwana nepotism obo mane pi abantu koru wongwa babwate chigas nande mbu ya monyore chigas. But again, to kubolingana ki balance. Abanchali mbabwati kasi yo minto. Nande we are requesting una consider abanchali abantu basomete. Abagirango matari. I'm just going through to abagirango na baru mugabate byesukali what chi factory tugakana. Bolino borumyo bobe. We cannot accept such like things. Your ideas have been encroached with some kind of
a point yazo tuanyo point.
Yes.
Korati kasi nini?
Yes.
Omo murana royo koroku Samuel Okemo. Simbe menyeto gochia Canada. Simba bako nyaruka tainje na moroka. Na bantu bako moroka. Simbe atanga ongwayo sakuire county ya Ugoli. Ongwaye korua soete ngaga ninge millionaire, ono gale billionaire serious. Na ndabono naga chiatanga ongwaye na gole ship Mombasa. Ngemeli eliene ekaboko lichi container gosenireng. Ona mangana ya nchoma tenko nyaiko. Njebno moralia njetali manganane ekero kolgelie county ya Kisii County ekero ngwaya soete statistically these are facts etwabwate county engima 63 kilometers pare ekero korambrera ambiance pare oniga it is 73 eye community nga ongwaya ne kilometer ikomia mentire Paminto, kuna last financial year 2016-2017, it was 8.4 billion. Chiba sechinga ichiko Samuel Okemo kerata ya mangana ya. Do you support Samuel? Do you think Samuel Okemo has a point ya korongwa ngakani?
Yakwa niga abana peli.
Ngwa kwana, tiganda ikwa maoni yo gali. Egere tumakwenda no gochaso.
Yes. Okay. Mbu yangu no wana banana petra. Number 1 je tumanye sama ne clip chia ngo.
Oh, komoro.
Unako kwana magana ya magendero. Timo maiti wano one.
Kina kia mano gichokora no tamanya.
Okemwa should come to Kisii County to fight evidence from the ground. But nonetheless, Okemwa has some facts of truth in Chivido Ichi Ayakubeka.
Labanja na watanja.
Okemwa should be protected even by the state for doing as a senator ya Kisii County. In fact, Okemwa should be, in fact, Okemwa should be given as the oversight, I've endorsed as the oversight. Okoba okolega asi, Ongeli akuli musara ku Okemwa. Senator Sam Ongeli, ikakuli musara Okemwa Samuel yabo yantakolia. Okemwa is the people that are protected by the state. Baje Kisii County, received well. And the battle constituency so that battle yamando maka mashinani what is happening. My brother banana.
Igo mate mo Matiangi. Igo ka kiuno igweto mogaka ngokemwa na wabo neto kole. Neto Okemwa be protected. No nyo kwane tero memendo abachane ta ande aberata lakini no momole.
Ndo bono thora kwane apata magana yo Okemwa. Amagana roads Kisii County. The county government is supposed to make open feeder roads. Ina ero jukumu ye edenchi para chi county. But look at this, I've been staying in Bonchari for some time, for almost 3 decades. But I've never seen a road reconstructed in the county complete. Either for the sake of I think the only thing that we have children complete. Children complete. But county government. There are 200 kilometers by President Uhuru Kenyatta in the from the last financial year. Nature national government, national county government in Bonchari constituency.
Okoragera wo.
Okuno koragera wo koraga na kitu atete tamu tu akone tingo ngwaira tata. Ngwaira tata. Akini ogento mwento ko mananga ki. Egera to ko chaka bono oversight bono to ko chaka Kisii County bona youths. We will take up the role yes senator and go as we will disband the county government.
Yes.
Mono no leo como gambi.
Ai bono nena maana ya wera makong ese ikero mono metuni numwate.
Na maana.
Nchoma metno moralia lakini nende baota ya aliaro. Lero na ara yo mono ne muna kwate.
Gamenda morali.
Ngaki kwa gamenda.
Ntete komenda iga. Musiko gali okwalire nga county government ko gacheri chicho. County government ri kwa gachacho. County government role ya mangana education igaranda polytechnics and technical institutes. Kama no kwa chicho gano bole mutume ngia tara ko ra chicho. Amangana feeder roads. I can agree 100% with you nga para nchiri koro sikuchia to completion. Like recently ntu mana sana gali in the county government okonyora ngetenda ge kuruewa. Omuntu akanwa bataraenda kurilinge pare yaro setu. Njairete sterete. E problem ase kuruera ga muske ge gocheiga. Okonyora nga epara ya rurwe ose Bonchari ero siku. Epare geranda the MCA. MCA oyendo ligia contractor ero muirio. Interest ere katika between the contractor na MCA transactional politics. Nga kitoko ge ni kurwa se pare. They are not interested no mwananchi nga komoro setore pare ngiya mami na mambi ndasi kuetera. Baro they don't feel. Baro go feeling e pare embe go affect ero mwananchi. Because baro babwati chigari chinene chirima tukata magora manene kabisa chiko minyoka matobe. Bakumere dingo mwananchi ero gota chaisi. Kya dara ose kwe pare ngi. Lastly ndara gore ni
kore second year.
A problem Kisii County government yebuwaterero.
Kwa na lioka so feel free.
Teri ongwai. Problem to buate na bandu orungachi members of county assembly. But I think this is the time to ajorchi MCA chindirpi.
You are protected.
Just go. You are protected.
Nani mo kisho Matiangi na protected because
kwana na moske Matiangi koligel jare shoe. Nande you must be protected. Go ikama ndo tukwa ne problem here on the ground. Egere bono tutakwa ne ti ndo koragera to era tata. Gendera kwana.
One reason. TMCs they are very incompetent. Very incompetent. Omundo nabone birira aretwari eregasi no korara iga ataboke nga yes aitaberikende kyo tama itingi kiarenge Bonchari mo egwecho oitabanga yes tama itingi echo gendo ngechi kokonya ba but otige bindo very important. So babwenda ko korova site koro muna for example chibesi chikuru national government no babwenda ko tebenga chibesi achirega this is the budget kwenda ekero chigo sira na butoko blame
bona tiganda babodi ayo ngwae enataka torakwana igoro ya magendera gusi especially Bonchari.
Yes.
Abno anataka ngiche because anataka realizing in one of you nainwa is the might be the member of parliament for Bonchari 2022.
Yes.
Engo kuboliga Bonchari county Bonchari constituency mnerega. Omweshimiwa ino oyoki bona korunga kyakoro yuko chinbo oyoka no endi atantimanye tinzo omubungo oyo ino how can you rate ngangi omubungo yonki akorera abantu ba Bonchari akora no enche timo maidiri
nisigete omwesike oro yoka muno korende ekikero kimanyete boniga Bonchari yatwalira ababunge gochakira kebati agacho mwako pole agacha onyanja agacha bono ro yoka abanchari barosire nabagaka ekikero kimbwate ko omanenga abanchari are ready for youthful leader mwako ro yoka etwa mwobogambikere twete tubwonchoreri konye twarosire no pole togatena we want a change and we voted him wholeheartedly. But omwako ro yoka otufeliri.
Onyo korera sina bombo gaka.
Ofeliri in CDF distribution. Mwako ro yoka igabwata agochora abana ko CDF otiga abande amalietande akorusi delivery.
Obo kenyomba.
Nkama komotebiga. Oro remember I told you this nando igubuya. Opole no mobolenge kona igora abo mobe mono ko opole onye turuchi kwa abana CDF basome.
Yeah,
the only investment we can give to people is CDF abantu basome by konye boka. We are not going to give handouts in Bonchari. So the only chance akine dagani. Endo yakabere oro yoka o sinyiru nande gukora distribution ase Bonchari yons amagendra oro yoka nturarora igasiye yo Bonchari buri twatagete as a change. But again I give you a benefit of doubt, you still have time to redeem yourself. But as it is right now you've totally failed. Almost agwente ko irekero okeri akonya abanchari konya komunya
koira na tora sore aye mo ka Douglas ogali mtetezi omobungo iga ora tetari ko perform ase enjo tete ko murusio gosebano can you be clear nga nkiatara akora gosenki akorire give credit where it's due
egendo na kwane panana deadline omobungo ne egendo na kwane no muskensi gete mono muskoro yoka lakini rende you don't need to be a member of parliament to effect change in a society. Tararas mambo mochumbo Bonchari manya go change Bonchari, it's not a must. But the konyarekananga na abero mochumbo ko babona go chikomande na go chibolinde. I can say according to my own assessment the 1 year Oro Yoka has been in office, he has failed. He has totally failed and he need to redeem himself in the remaining years as my brother said. What I'm saying is Bonchari has 14 sublocations. Korunya mwali koriana mbaka Keboye ini bomaliba. Korubokeire ini bomorenda mbaka bomwanda ini bogyakumu. We have 14 sublocations. Ekero gwandanga okonya abana bataka. You don't need kobolia manto wa CDF ngabako amalieta ya abana bataka. Just go direct to the society and identify yourself abana bataka. Bonchari to got talents. Maka kamaranga aka radio maisha all the way kuchumba modikerete mbuyamona soko promote mano
bronga ka publicity ka
mpaka mbuyamona soko promote aka mwana aku aka kariko tanga somo bila sune ke chiro omo chumbe abwante ko kambi arusi none kitike keiko omwana iro ya iro etari at school kelike ganda ka congestina ko be bali mali sia sonko moira it is the same thing which is being replicated in Bonchari ndoko twaranga sonko turu abantu bane nero go chikuoi aka mwana kali ngakale the radio maisha ngegere ka changiru chibe we have a member of parliament a working member of parliament. What I can say is this ndobwate in Bonchari ndobwate institutions and you know when you invest in institutions naliyo kwa oranga ko invest in the people directly because the future of the people is through educating them. The polytechnics let them be funded. They are misused. Enivo ya Bonchari elitoka ku CDF 120 million yenda kwenda ko shared equitably. Oro Yoka tarakora. Oro Yoka has 4 years to redeem himself na anderende ntotage tetolike linga ekere to ko institutions na polytechnics. Issue nero ya linge yangeli polytechnic bado nero ngaya tete ko rusi ku Riana ward ere du Morinda ward. Ebine binde bikomo gambya bwenda ikarasira abantu bali ana abantu bamulinda atubagere buya anya nebisima bya mache abagekere sublocation yanyo alege sima we are not just 14 sublocations bonjali ni ntu abake so issue yo mujumbe kotanyara ko bagase abantu abake n'abantu bali bonjali in numbers negento keko tustuya sana that's why kirenda kitoko chiko mujumbe ebinde binimbi bage biya sana lakini asabono biya supporting ngoro akora mangana.
Okay, sawa. Steve.
Yes sir.
Bono say no na say tumbo.
Yeah.
We come from the same place. Omoga kolio bono, omoga kolio ito, omoga kolio mogotu. Omoga kolio mogotu Jimmy Angwenyi. So koro linki akolera abantu. Ora eresa kuna yo korokoro.
One thing. Nchebuno mogetutu, so mosayo mogetutu. Sometimes you go see kuana ngani mbwato mujumbe. Because akarokoligeri abajumbe bande bintu bakora. Nere karo cha accommodate. I think is the longest serving member of parliament to buata bonega. As 12th parliament
at the moment.
Yeah, at the moment. Lakini yeso koligeri kuruaga soeta 1997. E para rosiri na yem one way. Moyo.
Ekoenda boy.
One way. Na ende very short. Ora enda bona wa kanone Uto no eli gene lira basa kulimera kuti.
Ama isoka na leto kotolike so como bowling ke ntunga ke bintu bia sare.
Okunya kunganyina abantu nganje. Jengo na tokolia se uru ontegera. So what? Konya abantu aminto. Ona iga last financial year. Into 118 million. 118 million yechi. Iso kuligera lyo bowlinga. Ebirasi birenga bya constructed in the last financial year. You will find it zero. Tipare nga kwa rost in the last financial year. Might be zero. Ama acha na kale ngakwa be kerta wana inji. Zero. Then to mana ko deba nganto bwato mujum. What is that?
To akoigura. Nyandusi.
Yes.
Ayabona puna for example bono montara ko opportunity. What do you think you will do different from oyororare boni karangwa tanga osinyiruga. Inkioro chora koleta bauti in case is ko banayo mubunge.
Bonchari mbata good representation as a parliament anene mono mtura igubuna to very represented when to anyago twara mujumbe or to represent well Bonchari ekinege tangani endo yakabere Bonchari buna to chakira mangana CDF insekonyora libagelio and make sure buna abana kuru Bonchari all the sub counties mbale well taken care of na ndo besa bali bako 5000 bulgo chapwaisa FCFC University Chiregoro. We need to look into education issue torona kitokonyo monto asome to completion. Twarose konya kore mechango. We must come up with a very good policy which okonya abana chiskuru gere basome. Kinege ntege tangani. Endo yakabere e parankwa ga chwere ya Bonchari the main road kwenda Migori. I hope a project inere considered eros chifida roads kirase. Kere project a mega project like that mkwegu bale bakore gende yokoro ku social responsibility inga chiparanchirose uno mujumbe tigabono ro take advantage akwane nabantu bali chipara chigoru Bonchari we have very good roads nogo chimake chibe chingia. That's another thing. Abanchari nande mbatagete a banana factory inyora buna Bonchari ya manyire asebiska
ingusiyangi metake
but Bonchari was known for sweet bananas bigaro kuba njare cake ukaibona mwa ile miskali biye inakiona mangana go chama
bako igure bwana Ugari Bonchari kwale ko you are the member of parliament. What will you do different ko yororo
again to nacha kera kuwa na banana peddler ngilinga ngitin support the current member of parliament Korokoro Iyoka.
You didn't support him.
Timo supported it. Timo campaigned it. No, ngwa Timo campaign na campaign ti opore. Obo chumbe na campaign ti opore. So because Timbi vedia sa ideologies chiongwa na ideologies chioro. I believed in ideologies chiobure and ideologies chiopore. So whatever opore or whatever Oro was planning for Bonchari, tinko nyara ko tenga ni manyete. But now that Nero mujumbe and now that ebi nebi isire koera. Kibira ere ntota kego chaka bona kokolera Oro kerige kurukunga oversight ana mangana lifestyle audit no ne romanya no Oro because enchera ko bagachibesa tuanye question ile sana ongwae now that Timo support nje support to bure expect to bure abega bana because na manyete manifesto ya linki ya lengi now that you Nyandusi ga my brother as junior amona aya menya nini mwa support ti ongwae you should tell us inki ongwae plan for Kisii County kene nje Timo supported jena supported you so let them continue looting banana peddler tikaba ibe chibeje kabisa ekiara na bakaneti mogatebanga ya ngongwae tena wa tano tena ngachiko bakani ngatotemo bure totemo munya birore mukanga bono tigaba chibe kabisa kandi nyandusi ngando support yo bore bada bore no mo ngogote okay bono bonsi bagotire 2022 tigata joro mokake atokonye yara bonsi bono bore ngaki they are different monkeys in the same forest ndona kwa niki mori nyiki ngise ko borai babo chali na toko borai muno no yo ngise ko borai babo chali I will ensure the institutions which are set in place work. Bonchari cannot be managed from Montessori Primary School and St. Anne's College. Eso ko kora pele moti ko tiuniga wate banga CDF jimena. Wa tiuniga CDF chikona chibe chinga. Wa tiuniga Bonchari cannot be micromanaged from Montessori. Bonchari needs to have its offices number 1 chibe suneka tali town. Kiaraba boda ya Bonchari to nyamanyete. So that one on that one opponent kobeka chiba bisya Bonchari chiba golf house. Again toro akorere kiya chiba bisirichira nali na andi chi issue chose ya Bonchari chiba addressed from Bonchari. Bonchari has problem of water especially suneka. Ama mabaito abale bale suneka alba korona ebyasara mbabu ati no machi bakonyi. That is something here kere mbule mba suggested to alenga president ya alenga but the leaders of Bonchari mbara mo support manya president kacha can you imagine president kacha suneka ekakwandira mangana ya machi mbule mpaka sabato kwa yekwa machi lakini the leaders governor the MP the MCS mbara mo support yekara machi ya mpaka sai
bwana ntete ko baboliga ketoko kora 2022 Kisii County who do you think should be governor gosekenengera go
tiganda kwanera na waterere 2022
who do you think should be governor who is the suitable person proposing
well enkora chakeraiga Kisii County so gukorera nkadi ndocho nyandari bara
gakora chinga kichato
Kisii County yabere bobe amangana y'ikitenda umwako ngwaye ligeria amangana yo amangana y'ikigasi it's a very big town so umubere yabagusi amangana ya magendro Kisii County kindly consider it and obe oligeri
na amangana yo konya kobeka beka abantu bali bakobolia maswali eseli ne tabia inero tochituti abantu baito tigabakwane freedom of speech omonte sarama gosale kiango gaki gakoboli talinga nesimyo gwaka ngabeko monto yoime ikyo kobekera omonto ime okokobolia ichibesenga kwatumie
yeah so kuna nani ngokwana ikamangana yaligereri wonsi inchena agwakere ekura umugavana ngwe but I must say I'm so disappointed.
No, I voted for him.
Nah, very so disappointed. But again, let's redeem ourselves and go. Ingo gochikobo mo governor of Kisii County 2020.
Yani ngoko who do you think is the most
governor na akwanete mbolikoira na bogetutu. Let it be clear. Mbolikoira na bogetutu.
I know bokenyomba wa chaki.
No, na call it bokenyomba. Obo governor wa Kisii County ebogo ikenda enyombe ende onsi but mbolikoira na bogetutu. Let's be fair and
aratinga kiorozi.
Aratine Simba karabuli abantu bamwe chikura tali bobe
manduku ngo kwanwale
manduku is a good manager nere karabuli egu no munya
mangi nere no wale
mangi nere
kyoko seka kereto ikirasi mangi oyongo nere no wale ngo tema bale no wale
mangi no musani onesana okolere gasize ongwae to tarato tego sinada to bugava nande unless they are failed boni ga city they are failed so I don't want to talk about it unless it changes
2022 ngoroche the perfect fit ya governor Kisii County.
One. Taracha ko te bang nguchi ko mo governor 2022. Nganda ara ko na mo. Jina support to ngwai wholeheartedly. Kamori gichukura utuko na mugaso. Tuko na bwate imani in him because he told us na bono munango chikuirana. Asana ale bintonta akorora ketibija njembi goro. But so far kerongoli gereli tara make any tara aggressive. Kora bindo bibiri bitatu bona nara ko motebiga asa igwete ngiri cyara ni mete ngo ikai amangana ya mwiki
nkomo ikera
ebindo biri a promise ya bana inchi ateme ko bikora nyatari ko chiko bikora narondo nyore njire ndo tura
bono kitora mokorere nde bono jeje amachiko tobwate gavana ne misbehave na kora kene nge utora mokorere asa yotora muire
problem tobwate ne banana pedla atiko one of four ko na mangana recall but Parliament yangere weti legislation yoko veke procedure
parliament tokora
parliament nero tokora but that is not the only way yoko rusio mugavana from his office
teba ngobono ngoko propose
no 2022 tinde tiko teba ngo ngo mugavana tinde tiko teba nga omondo ko chiko mugavana features kia kwenda ko twara sen characteristics kwenda ko twara
abe youth
one abe youth because already ongwa no mugava na nongeri
lakini mbona tena kona chake ndongeri na nywera sinyo makwendere youth yabo ise kuri gano chi constituency buna kitutu masaba mtobwato mondo koro Shadrack Mose na ande ne kijana ale but he has done nothing kulingana na abantu na bagoteba na ando ise kuri gano abantu mbare constituency mune hiyo abantu na balozi Walton Mwenga ba korre chi project chi korrekana bantu muna abo mbali gochoro youth torachore kaba ne youth ne chikobeta no enu na tabanga youth na chia sinyirwe gas.
I think the problem when tagan to bugate it was youth. We are enemies of ourselves. Dere to ko chora banana pedla abo masenata ni ndo banda bataga ni como opos. Ni ndo banda bataga ni como ruwali. And I can comment no mondo waro muna for example Silvano Osoro to bugato ogusi
okorre gas
or youthful.
Na andere has tried no get on the ground. But everybody has tried.
Na revoko he has tried to kale ground. So we want onyo no mugaba na to chiko tuar. One abo mondo ko ikaba tanga. Two abo mondo go walk the talk. Onyo te banga ngoro sinde pare ya banga na ro sipa. Te oni mo nya in the next 2 weeks ngoro sinde pare. Mwaganya ya ba 3 years, 4 years, 5 years. Tonyo ro mondo ko te banga the next week go be kande e factory ya matokega. Next week go be kande nyangwe the forest in the next 2 years. Ebi ndo byaba affected.
Kusema na kutenda.
Ndo tuaro bagaba na baganya ebi ndo. Lastly to tuaro mondo obwate interest yo mwana inji. That is the problem to bwate.
Very good. Ege kogera oise koligere chi county chini. Chi county muna babo kibuta kibwana alia. Oise koligere chali zingiru na igore sabantu bago sonera. Oise koli yani uriko abantu bago kore minte biya kegima. Pono go sinyuntu kusi ngoto konete ba minto. No abamra no morero tu alimetia.
Kwa nini ngenda kama mtentere?
Pora bwana.
Kama mwana bukete kyo mondurunga Jean Jacques Osirosu. The political analyst. Bara ko tebanga. Abara ina baya. Lakini yo kanyara mbapu gati ndokoro kanga a public will. Kanyara mbapu gati personal or individual will. Ile aro yitire abara yebito bagusi. Tuise kanyara andi abanyi na unga ko tena tebo tabe na sino na matanga. Wasabenya sae mono. Kanyara murai obwate public interest.
Iko. Kora ga kiko gotogote ikyo gote youth bagusi ye vijana na bara.
Ngenda kwana kwanza about go gaba na Kisii County 2022. Onde bwenzi olekero go. Ebe no chumbe, ebe no senator, ebe no governor, ebe no deputy governor. Onde bwenzi olekero go are elected. Da basa ko tenga ngo lero governor. Tigara akolega akali stu mo vegete. No ne news to mane ko mo vegera ti. To ko egwenya mo gwate nya bangoli ole. Eyende kwa melire, eyende no gwata ko boko na no tete ya jikoni. Ine ndamu amo. Tigo mo ndara akolega asiri tu mo nya no mo chumbo onde bwenzi kwasa mna ba chumba aba ko liye go. I don't support. Tigaba chumbe bara akolega asina CDF yeli. Baike nonga tiga tumanye ko barate. It will be on fairness. We have other coming people wako boli go.
Bono lende
and we will support them.
Bwana Ugari. Thank you sana. Bwana Steve Mbiamono. Bwana Nyarusi Mbiamono. Emeno ne ino amanga na ininu mwakwana. Nje no moralia. Nje no moralia na ande no motegere. Erende mwakwandire na ande nkolengi ngabara yaba igure. Onyo bakare kokorobo kurumyo ba korasti county yabu na kubwata ando na kobeka chiseri ne ine tabiembe Kenya yabono tutata tikorora. Tutageta ba youth abasaye baito abantu baito babe free go question. Onya sobo kongubole omuntu ga question you don't lock that person inside the cell. Omuntu kwana nando ba free. Nando bono we are happy when we see our youth bago kwane kabire. Bono njenda tembia mono dende na mashabiketo biamono nande tikatorra nenga kiende nje konkoro ku banana pedla.